Did you know that Ikea is making custom accessories for gamers? We spoke about Ikea in yesterday's episode for different reasons regarding the design of the new Mac Pro and how it kind of resembled. Well, Ikea apparently does want to get in to some degree into the consumer electronics space or the 3D printed accessory space. They've got a couple of different models here and a video to go with it. They have a 3D printed wrist support targeted at gamers, keycaps with texture on them. If you scroll down, you can catch a look at those. I think you might have to go down a bit further. Maybe it's not on that. There they are. Textured keycaps. You can replace yours with the texture of your choice. Apparently, eventually, it's going to be a whole customization process so you can get things suited to your particular anatomy. But here's a company, Ikea. They're not going to lay down. They're not going to sit around and sell bookshelves for forever. They got to do something. You got fresh blood, young blood in there. They're like, hey, here's the future. Gamers are the future of Ikea. Who would have thought? Mm-hmm. I mean, at least somebody internally must have believed that to be the case. You can't stop. You got to work on the next thing. So there's a cool video here showcasing the collaboration between Ikea and this design firm responsible for the 3D printing and so forth. They have a couple of different product suggestions right now, but the assumption is that that's going to expand. And in this video, they showcase the construction process, 3D printer. You know, we did the video recently on the 3D printed shoes, which were cool. And we were like, we wished they could be custom. And this could be another, this is another indication that things through 3D printing, a lot of manufactured goods can trend in this direction where you can do a one-off because 3D printers allow for it. So I remember when 3D printers launched, that's a cable management device, that one, Bungee, designed to keep cables clear, 3D printed. I remember when they launched, it was like, these are cool for like prototyping, right? And that was kind of, it still is sort of the case. But now this move towards customization, because of course the cost of these machines down, so you can have enough of them now to have them running in some sort of production facility. Customization, very interesting and exciting to me, that more people could have unique devices, accessories, and with a company like Ikea behind it, you know, they got the footprint to be able to deliver. Apparently this lineup is going to launch in 2020, and it's going to have all kinds of home products, desk supports, chairs, and tables as well. So who knows how they're going to be customized. It's going to be pretty cool. They can actually go out and get it into the universe. They have the scale to do so. So this could be the future of a lot of different products. Imagine if everything you got was some sort of a, you know what people used to talk about is you would have the 3D printer and you would just transact here and then it would just go, the design would just start getting mapped out. Like imagine Ikea had their default 3D printer you could put in your house, and then the map, you just pay for the map. It comes, loads in, and it just starts going. And the material shows up every so often.
Or it's the other way around. You design something and then you give it to Ikea. They print it out for you.
Could be something like that. Make the adjustments. Like, I don't know how the whole back end's going to take place. I assume there's going to be some sort of an app that people are going to interact with. But nonetheless, they're moving along. It's not just bookshelves. Ikea. 2 days in a row on the show. Will it ever happen again? Probably not.